This is the time of year where shoreline casters really kind of come into their own. This is late fall. As you can see, there's even some snow flurries around today. Maybe can't see that, but it is snowing a little bit. Late fall, and then again early in the spring after ice out, shoreline casters do well. Walleyes like to move in close to shore during those times. I want to just talk for just a minute about the rod and reel setup for this. And you know, one of my favorites is the Johnny Morris Platinum Signature Series rods. I like to use them because they're 7-1, gives me the length to be able to cast a lighter bait out. They're quite stiff through the main frame of the rod. And I like that because once I do get a fish on, I can really hit them with the hooks. And walleyes in particular have really hard mouths, especially the bigger ones. And sometimes you need to have that extra oomph to get them in, to get it into their mouths. But the other thing that I really like is a super soft tip. It allows me to fight the fish. It allows the flex of the rod to be able to get those long casts that I'm looking for. I couple that then with the 2000 series reel, and basically it's a very nice setup. It's not very heavy. I can cast it all day long, but it gives me the right action. Couple the reel with 8 or 10 pound fire line and away you go. I do most of my cranking on spinning gear with fire line. It allows me to feel every vibration of the bait. It allows me to feel if a fish misses, so I know when to stop. I can tell every rock. I can tell when there's a weed on it. So it's just an extremely nice setup.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.